Assalamu alaikum. Introduction to Student-Centric and Teacher-Centric approaches, understanding the fundamental concepts. Back to school. Understanding student-centric and teacher-centric approaches, exploring core principles in education. Student-centric approach focuses on individual student needs, interests, and learning styles to personalize education. Teacher-centric approach emphasizes teacher-led instruction with the teacher as the primary knowledge authority. Benefits of a student-centric approach: enhances student engagement, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills. Benefits of teacher-centric approach: provides structure and discipline, ensuring consistent content delivery and assessment. Balancing both approaches. Integrating both approaches can create a well-rounded educational experience catering to diverse learning needs. Empowering students through student-centric approach, focusing on individuals' student needs, self-directed learning, and student engagement. Individualized learning, tailoring education to meet the specific needs and interests of each student. Enhanced student engagement, promoting active involvement and participation of students in their own learning journey. Self-directed learning, encouraging students to take control of their own learning process and set their own goals. Balancing student-centric and teacher-centric approaches, fostering engagement learning education, empowering student-led learning, encouraging self-directed learning and critical thinking, promoting collaborative learning environments, encouraging peer-to-peer interaction and knowledge sharing, facilitating teacher-led instruction, providing structured guidance and knowledge dissemination, adapting instruction to diverse learning styles, catering to individual student needs, and optimizing learning outcomes. Comparison of student-centric and teacher-centric approaches, analyzing the differences. Approach: student-centric, impact on learning outcomes, encourages self-directed learning leading to deeper understanding. Classroom dynamics, emphasizes collaboration, discussion, and critical thinking. Approach: teacher-centric, impact on learning outcomes, focused on structured content delivery and assessment. Classroom dynamics, teacher-led with limited student interaction. Advantages of student-centric approach: benefits for student development, enhanced critical thinking, encourages students to think independently and develop problem-solving skills. Personalized learning, tailors education to individual student needs, improving comprehension and retention. Greater student motivation fosters enthusiasm for learning by allowing students to pursue topics of personal interests. Advantages of student-centric and teacher-centric approaches. Enhancing learning through varied approaches. Efficient knowledge dissemination. In teacher-centric approaches, educators play a pivotal role in imparting knowledge, ensuring efficient dissemination of information. Clear learning objectives. Both student-centric and teacher-centric approaches emphasizes the importance of clear learning objectives, promoting focused educational outcomes, consistent assessment standards. Teacher-centric approaches enable educators to maintain consistent assessment standards, ensuring fair evaluation of student progress. Balancing student autonomy and structured guidance in education, optimizing learning experience through student and teacher-centric approaches, balancing student autonomy, promoting self-directed learning while providing necessary support and guidance. 2. Leveraging technology or personalized learning, utilizing digital tools to tailor learning experiences to individual student needs. 3. Fostering a collaborative learning environment, encouraging teamwork, communication, and shared knowledge among students. Navigating student-centric approach challenges, overcoming obstacles in implementation, managing diverse learning paces. Adapting to individual student paces requires tailored curriculum and teaching methods. Resource-intensive personalized learning, customized learning demands substantial resources for content creation and individualized support. Assessment of standardization, establishing uniform assessment criteria while addressing diverse learning needs poses a significant challenge. Balancing student-centric and striking the right balance for effective learning. Step 1. Engaging student-centric approach encourages personalized learning and caters to individual student needs. Next step, enhancing teacher-centric approach provides structured learning and clear guidance from educators. Next one, fostering creativity and autonomy, balancing teacher-led instruction with opportunities for student creativity and autonomy. Thank you. Thank you for staying with me. Please follow my Facebook page, Kathy Connor Tutelage, and subscribe my YouTube channel, Kathy English Cured. Balancing student-centric and teacher-centric approaches, optimizing the learning experiences, adapting to diverse student needs, recognizing the value of addressing individual learning styles and preferences, promoting a dynamic learning environment, fostering interactive and engaging learning experiences, acknowledging the value of both approaches, understanding the benefits of balancing student-centered and teacher-centered methods. Thank you once again for staying with me. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Kathy English Care and follow my Facebook page Kathy Kona Tutelage. Please like, comment, share and inspire me to make more and more educational videos. Thank you. Thank you once again.